Come join our meditation and wellness retreat. Introducing intelligent recommendation engines with personalized suggestions based on your unique preferences. No more wasted time scrolling through items that don't fit your needs. These engines analyze your past purchases and browsing history to provide tailored recommendations for your next adventure. Imagine finding the perfect hiking boots with just a few clicks, or discovering a new brand of camping gear that suits your style. Say goodbye to decision fatigue and hello to stress-free shopping. These recommendation engines use advanced algorithms to curate your options,